Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that affects every conversation, from dinner table to full-on debates, and that is how to argue effectively without turning it into a fight. And yep, we're talking about do and don'ts of argumentation and debate. Let's start with the do's, the things that make you sound smart and respectful and convincing. Number one, do your research. Before you open your mouth, know what you're talking about. Fact, example, solid reasoning are your best friends. Do number two, do listen actively. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Listen. You might catch a weakness in their arguments or even learn something new. And number three, do stay respectful. Disagree with ideas, not people. No one wins when it turns into a shouting match. Number four, do use logic and evidence. Say it with me. Feelings aren't fact. Use data, logic, and real-world example to support your claims. Number five, do stay calm and composed. Control your emotion. If you're angry, your message get lost. Stay cool. It's powerful. Number six, do address counter argument. Show that you've thought about the other side. It makes you look informed and confident. And lastly but not the least, do structure your points. Intro, body, conclusion. Keep your argument organized like mini essay. Now, for the don'ts. These are the things that make you lose credibility. Number one, don't make it personal. If you attack person instead of the point, you've already lost the argument. And number two, don't interrupt. Let them finish. It's respectful. It gives you a complete view of what you're responding to. And number three, don't use logical fallacies. Things like straw man, arguments, or slippery slopes might sound clever, but they are easy to dismantle. And number four, don't get emotional or aggressive. Raising your voice doesn't make your point stronger. Just show you're rattled. Number five, don't rely on stereotypes or generalization. Saying like, everyone knows, or people like you always. Yeah. No. Be fair and specific. Number six, don't ignore good points from the other side. Acknowledge them. It shows maturity. And let you refocus on your stronger arguments. Lastly, for the don'ts, don't speak in absolute. Avoid saying things like always or never unless you're 100 for sure. It's easy to poke holes in them. Alright, let's do a lightning fast recap. For the don'ts, research, listen, stay respectful, use logic, stay calm, structure your points. As for the don'ts, don't attack the person, don't interrupt, don't use fallacies, don't generalize, or don't get emotional. Always remember, the goal of debate isn't to destroy your opponent. It's to communicate clearly, challenge ideas, and maybe even learn something. So the next time you find yourself in a heated discussion, ask yourself, am I debating to win or to understand? If you find this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your biggest debate pet peeve, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart talk like this. Thank you for watching, and always remember, argue less, argue less, understand more, and see you next time. Bye bye.